Good evening, folks, and welcome to this edition of College Hippo's deep dive analysis into data analytics master's program. Today, we are going to talk about top five universities there, and not necessarily in the ranking order, but still they're pretty good universities. And we are going to talk about the data analytics master's program offered by these colleges here. And these are University of Chicago, Northwestern, Brown University, Georgetown, and University of California-Berkeley. All right. So let's start with the Georgetown University, located in Washington, D.C. Private university, graduation rate of 95%, acceptance rate of 50%. And what does George Washington University, offers? It's an MS in data science and analytics program. So it is a kind of not just analytics, it is with science here. And sometimes people get confused that we are looking for data science or data analytics. Do check us out on College Hippo. Those two programs are very different. Data science is more into statistical and data analysis here and needs a little bit of more technical than a data analytics there. So this is a combination of data science and analytics by Georgetown University, designed to equip new wave of data experts. It is a combination of data principles with specialized training. Curriculum highlights data science multidisciplinary essence, preparing students with a wide variety of skills. Let's look at the credits required: 30, duration 16 months. It's an on campus program, full time, or you can do some in a part time mode. The good news: GRE and GMAT scores are not required. Tuition is on a very steep side, which personally we think which is close to $73,000 there. But thesis is not required for this. If that's you something which you're scared of, so that's a good news. All right. What are the key features of this program here? It's a rigorous analytical, computational, and statistical training, a hands-on experience. And if you do not know R or Python, which will be required mostly for the data science part here, you will given a free and mandatory online course. Focuses on career development through networking opportunities, job search, skill training, and insights into employment avenues. So, if you're looking for a job after this program, then Georgetown University is gonna be a good choice for you, which can help you do that. Flexible scheduling, as we said, for a part-time programs here. So, for part-time students, helping them with their work and study. All right. So, jumping on to the next one is your University of California, Berkeley, ranked 20th, located in beautiful city of Sacramento, California, a public university. And as you can see, acceptance rate is not easy, but that's for undergrad. We do not have data for the graduate programs here. So, what is the key features of Berkeley's Master of Analytics programs? It's an on-campus program. Graduates of this program is industry leaders, and we're going to talk about what this program offers in the next slide. But here we just talk about the credit requirement, which is 30 units, 4 units of practical, 26 units coursework. But as you can see, it's a 12-month program, which is excellent here on campus, which is a full time tuition similar to Georgetown of $70,000. And GRE and GMAT scores are not required, and thesis is not required. All right. So, what does this program teaches you? Development of soft skills like communication, leadership, and professionalism, in addition to technical skills. It is designed to be intensive and immersive, which we can understand, being it's a 1 year program. And instead of a traditional capstone project, students complete a 2 hour industry internship, providing real world experience and industry connections. So that's a pretty major unique feature of this program. And if you haven't worked into this area, then this gonna be a, I think, a game changer or one of the key features of this program, not offered by any other college. So it offers to, as I said, leading experts, entrepreneurs, industries, because you're in California and they have their own connections. And the campus is a huge campus offering a wide range of research centers, encouraging multidisciplinary collaboration and innovation. Jumping from West Coast to East Coast in the city of Providence, Rhode Island, is a Brown University. Graduation rate of 96%, acceptance rate of 33%. And if you haven't been to the campus of Brown University, which I have personally been a couple of times, it's a beautiful campus there, especially in the spring, fall, and summer. You will love the college out there. All right, let's talk about what the Brown University's Social Data Analytics Master's program offers there. It is based in the sociology department, excuse me, there, with advanced data gathering and analysis skills. It's a STEM designated program, and it is important to understand that data analytics program is normally a STEM, but universities do sometimes say that that is helpful for international students who are looking for additional 2-year OPT, right? So in campuses, both foundational studies and practical applications, 8 courses, 2 core, 6 elective, 12-month program. And as you can see, GRE GMAT are required, which makes it a little but that it is what it is, right? The tuition of $65,000 and thesis is not required. It is a full-time on-campus program. What are you going to be learning in this program here for Brown University? A STEM designated program, technical, it's a focus on a technical side there, comprehensive training in quantitative and qualitative data collection, applied hands-on data analytic research, and Brown undergraduate students have an option to take this master's program within 1 year. All right, jumping to the Chicago city, where's the Northwestern, and then not Chicago, in fact, in Illinois state here. Excuse me for my geography there. Is a famous Northwestern University with acceptance rate of 29%. Northwestern University's data science, MS analytics, and modeling specialization is a program which is a 2 year with 7 core courses, 4 electives, and 1 thesis or capstone class project there. It's an on campus program. GRE and GMAT are not required. Tuition is $86,000, which is, I think, pretty high, but close to Harvard's 90,000 of data science. Thesis is required. And let's dive into the details of the programs, what it does. It's a data science, MS analytics, and modeling specialization. And if you can see from the name itself and going into the courses details, you can see the difference between these programs here. That it emphasizes testing real world predictions about data. Thesis or capstone class projects counts as 1 units, and highlighting the program's emphasis on applied learning and the importance of these culminating experience in students' education, guidance from faculty member, which can provide mentorship there. All right, going back to the University of Chicago in the Springfield, Illinois, there, private university, and the University of Chicago's program is the Master of Science by Data Science Institute. Provides hands-on blended strategies with real-world projects, simulations, and case studies. 12 courses, 7 core, 3 electives, and 2 capstone project courses. Duration can be 12 to 18 months. So depending on the mode here, which means you can do a part-time or in a hybrid mode here. GRE GMAT scores are not required. Tuition again $66,000, and thesis is not required. What does this program teaches you about? Strengthens technical skills. And as you can see, we're not going deep into this. It is just what the college has been mentioned on the website. But if you're interested, you can go to the college site and find out the details of the courses and the electives. And if that is what you're looking for. But on a high level, it's a project based learning, simulations, case studies, and electives. The electives are designed to address the unique analytical needs of various sectors with the real world facts and data sets. All right. Now let's look at the comparison between these 5 colleges and the programs. University of Chicago, you can see they're all ranked very well here in the top 20 universities here, top 22. Master of Science in Analytics, Data Science, Social Data Analytics, Master of Analytics, and MS in Data Science Analytics. 12 months to 24 months, that is, I think, one of the key factors that you will be looking at if you are willing to learn and grasp that much knowledge in 1 year or not, which could be very, very intense. All right, so price point more or less same, but Northwestern is one of the most expensive one, and among this will be University of Chicago. GRE is required. No, no, no. I think we are slightly wrong about Brown University, but we're gonna just update in our comment sections here. But that's what this is, a short comparison of these colleges here. So pick which one you want. Excuse me. And if you are looking for most affordable programs there, we're gonna cover in our next videos there. So thank you for watching, and please leave your comments in the section below. Hope to hear from you, and continuing on this deep dive analysis into data analytics in our affordable programs.